Okay, just received my Apple Watch Series 6 in the graphite, and graphite stainless steel, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing and comparison with the Apple Watch Series 6 in the new gold finish. Deciding between these two and whether I'm actually going to keep either of them. This is compared to the stainless steel gold Series 4. So quickly, actually, it's not the purpose of this video, but you can see the difference in color between the Series 6 gold and the Series 4 gold. The Series 4 gold definitely is a little more of a copper, almost bronze kind of color. I've heard it compared to rose gold, but it definitely has more bits of brown to it, I think, than pink. And I really do like this color. It goes well with my skin tone. This is an Amazon leather loop that I don't wear too often, but I have now. And the new gold is much more yellow, and it is a fairly light color as well, as you can see over here. In indoor lighting, it almost looks silver, whereas this does have more of a copper look. Very subtle difference. Okay, now let's get to the graphite. I don't usually wear dark colored watches. In years past, I have had the space gray aluminum Apple Watch, the Series 3 and the Series 1. I didn't have the original Apple Watch, Series 0, nor did I opt for the Series 2. So all this stuff is familiar. The outside packaging with colorful examples of Apple Watches with the new Solo loop. Here's the watch box itself and the Milanese loop, which I also don't usually go for. My style is not very dressy, so the dressier metal link loop was not something I ever went for in the past. Okay, and as we've seen in so many unboxings before, the packaging is much more slim. There is no power adapter in here. That's compared to my Series 4 box, which I have still. Assuming I keep the Series 6, I will attempt to sell the Series 4 in order to recuperate some of the costs. Okay, let's get to the graphite watch itself, and then we'll compare the two. So, as we've seen in other unboxings, there's the paperwork, the stainless steel charging puck, which I will leave in there, and now to the watch itself. This is a more papery cover than the Series 4, and Series 5 has a microfiber kind of cover, which is nice. And let's pull this out. A little bit of a hard time here on camera. Alright, set that to the side, and here it is. And yeah, I gotta say, my first impression is that this is pretty nice. And if you can hear it in my voice, I'm kind of smiling. I didn't really have that initial impression when I unboxed the gold. The Series 4 gold, I remember the first time when I saw it in person, I was like, okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. And it goes well with the navy sport bands. It goes well with the dark green, olive sport bands. And also some of the brighter colors like pink and product red. So when I saw this, going from the aluminum, this felt like a significant timepiece. The sapphire crystal, the stainless steel body, even though it's way more expensive, you do feel like you're getting a nicer watch. And yeah, this new graphite color, even though I am not big on the dark colors, this has a jewel-like appearance because it's dark, but it has a little bit of shine. So let's take off the straps here, and I'll quickly compare the gold and the graphite, the new gold and the new graphite. It's quite nice. I gotta say, it's quite nice. And while I'm here, I'll slap a band on it and quickly try it on my wrist before setting it up and trying this out for a few days. That's actually pretty nice. I gotta say, I kind of think that going from the Series 4 to the Series 6 Graphite would feel like would feel more of an upgrade because of the difference in fashion. When I decided, I had the Series 4 for 2 years, and even though the updates are not super significant with I figured with the Series 6, with the always-on display and the other new features like blood oxygen, it would be nice to try. However, when I got the watch in the new gold, the color I wasn't as much of a fan of, and the upgrade just didn't feel so significant. So I'm going to try, this is definitely going back to Apple, and I'm going to try the Graphite for a few days. Number one, to see if I enjoy the style, because watches are still an accessory, even the Apple Watch, even though they're a dime a dozen and so many people have them. The style, the look has to kind of suit your aesthetics. In my opinion, it's not simply a tool the same way the phone might be, because you wear it on your wrist and it's got to match your outfits, and you have to feel good wearing it. So yeah, there it is. My initial impression is that the Graphite is pretty nice, and I'm going to do some internal reflection and see if I feel like it is worth the upgrade from the 4, because these things are very expensive and the resale value is extremely low. Like, I've been checking Swappa. Apple's trade-in value for this is only $155, and I'm seeing on Swappa stainless steels are selling for $200, maybe $300, about $300 it looks like. So that's a significant drop off. So the cost to upgrade to this is pretty high. But yeah, there it is. There's all three. And that's the unboxing.